Hello guys, welcome to my channel. To fix purple or pink screen issue with the game on your Windows computer, the first step is to perform a clean installation of your graphics driver. So if you have NVIDIA card, go to NVIDIA website. If you have AMD card, go to AMD website. I'm showing for NVIDIA. So to perform a clean installation, go to NVIDIA website and then select your graphic card from the list. Make sure that you select your graphic card and then select the right operating system. So if you have Windows 11, select Windows 11. If you have Windows 10, select Windows 10 and then click on Find. And once you click on Find, you will see this page. Now here you will find the latest GeForce Game Ready driver. Now click on View, and then once you click on View, you will see the download option. Click on Download and let the download complete. Now once the download is complete, run the exe file. Now once you run the exe file, you will see this screen. Click on Agree and Continue, and then select Custom option over here. By default Express would be selected. Select Custom and then click on Next, and then you will see this screen. Now put a check on the box which says Perform a clean installation. Make sure you put a check on Perform a clean installation and then click on Next and let the installation complete. Once the installation is complete, restart your computer, and after the system restart, launch the game. Now the next step is to AMD graphic card user. You can update your graphic card, use auto detect feature. So for this, you can go to AMD website if you have AMD integrated or AMD discrete graphic card. So copy this link. The link is provided in the video description. Open this link in a browser. And on this website here, you can see auto detect and install driver. So you can download this tool, install it, and then it will auto detect if there is any update, it will update for you. So update your AMD graphic card driver using this tool and then restart your computer and then check. Now Intel graphic card user, if you're using Intel integrated graphic card, in that case you can install this Intel driver and support assistant tool. Now for this, you can search in Google and then go to Intel's driver and support assistant, and then you can download that tool, install it, and then launch it. And then if there is any update for graphic card, you will see update option, download option. So you can click on download all, update, install all, and then make sure that you restart your computer, and after the system restart, you can check. Still not working. The next step is to laptop users with dual graphic card, disable your integrated or discrete graphic card before you launch the game and then check. So you can go to start menu, make a right click, and then go to device manager. Now over here, expand display adapter, you will see your integrated graphic card. So here in my case it's Intel. You can make a right click and then click on disable device, and then you can launch the game and then check. If that does not work, you can even you can enable your integrated. So make a right click and then you will see enable your integrated, and then you can disable your dedicated graphic card, and then you can launch the game and then check. If nothing is working, you can enable both the graphic card and then follow the next step. Now the next step is to run the game on dedicated graphic card. Now for this, type in graphics settings in Windows search box and then click on graphics settings, and then click on add desktop app, and then go to the game installation folder. So in my case, the game is installed in this location. Select the game exe file, click on add. Once the game is added, click on the game, and then over here select high performance, and you will see your graphic card over here. Select it. Now you can launch the game and then check. Still not working. This time you can even try your integrated graphic card. You can select your integrated graphic card and then you can launch the game and then check which one is working fine for you. Next step is to install all these extensions from Microsoft Store. So copy all these links. The links are provided in the video description. Open this link in a browser. It will take you to Microsoft website. Here you can see VP9 Video Extension. Click on install. It will prompt you to open Microsoft Store. So click on open Microsoft Store, and then you will see the install button. Hit install over here. In my case, it is already installed. Again, download this AV1 Video Extension, and then click on install. Open Microsoft Store, install it, and then check. Download this web media extension. Again, install, open Microsoft Store, and once installed, install this one. So again, click on install, open Microsoft Store, and once installed, now you can launch the game and then you can check. Next step is to, now this is for AMD Radeon integrated graphic card user. So if your AMD Radeon is an integrated graphic card, in that case, you can type in view advanced system settings in Windows search box and then click on view advanced system settings and then click on environment variables, and here you can see system variables. Now click on new over here and name variable name. You can just type in disable underscore layer underscore AMD underscore switchable underscore graphics underscore 1, and then yeah, this is provided in the video description. And variable value, you can just type in number 1 over here and then click on OK, and then you can click on OK once again and then launch the game. Now in future, if you face any trouble, you can always delete it. You can select this one and you can delete it if you face any problem. So just make these changes, click on OK, and then you can launch the game and then check. Still not working. The next step is to rename Blue Archive folder in this location. So open File Explorer, go to this PC, open C drive. Now open Users folder. Now open your username folder. Now open AppData. If you don't see AppData at the top, click on View, select Show, put a check on Hidden Items, and then open AppData folder. Open LocalLow folder, and over here you can see Nexon Games folder. Open this folder. Here you can see Blue Archive. Copy this folder, paste it to the desktop. Just create a backup. Once you have a backup created, now you can rename this folder. Make a right click and then you can rename it. When you rename it, all the save game progress will be lost. You have to start everything from scratch, but you already have a backup, so you can rename it. Now you can launch the game and then check. So one of the steps shown in this video should help you to fix pink or purple screen issue with the game. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.